What up? What up? What up, y'all? It's New Breed 313 Sports, man. Back with a new video. New car video, as a matter of fact. As y'all can see, man, I got the new tops 25, 26 that just came out. Looking for autographs and relics. Let's see. You can chase exclusive season tip-off parallels. Seven cars, seven cars in a pack. 12, 12 cars per pack, 7 packs. So what's that about? 84, I want to say. My math is correct. Yeah, I think it's like 84. So don't do that. I'm also picked up some cards I got from Luton Sports Cards. Shout out to Luton Sports Cards. And I also got some cards that I just recently, over the weekend, just got in the mail through eBay. So shout out to eBay on that. So to show the eBay cards first. So this is what I got here. Y'all got this Usman Dang card. So y'all can see that. Usman Dang patch card. So also got a Damian Jones Rise and Shine rookie patch card. I got game worn card. I got a Kyle Kuzma patch, threads when he was with the Wizards. Whites, game worn. So y'all better look at that. Game threads, game worn. Y'all got it. And I also got this, man. I got a Devin Booker rookie, NBA hoops, PSA out of 9. Got that. Devin Booker. Devin Booker here. So got that. So those are the cards I got from eBay. Happy about that. So got some cards that I got divided by different sports. So I'm going to do, because I always do the smallest pile first. So I'm gonna do wrestling. Got a couple wrestling cards, man. I got a Carl Anderson. Y'all can see Carl Anderson. Most of y'all know him from Bullet Club and him and LG partnering up. Which I think he's going to do a signing here. Y'all can see that again. Carl Anderson. He's going to do a signing. No, he's going to wrestle in Michigan, I think, 2 days after Christmas. Shout out to IWR Wrestling. They're going to put that together, have them there. I think AJ Francis. I just heard they're going to have Saraya, who most of y'all know at WWE is paid. So looking forward to that. These is actually two people that I just recently met at the XICW. So shout out to XICW Wrestling. I got a Karrion Kross and I got a Scarlett. Recently met them. Just got these. Wonderful couple. Very, very nice. They stick together. I have enormous respect for both. Even what Karrion Kross has went through, I got mad respect, man. Very good guy, and I wish the best for him, man. So here's some what I have. So show it again. Pretty cool cards. So I got that. Got my baseball card. So I got this Chipper Jones rookie. Got this Chipper Jones rookie. So I got this rookie Black and white card of Spencer Howard of the Phillies. I got something playing in the background. Sorry about that. Got a Jackson Correo. So then I got this Ryan Mountcastle rookie. Yep, so got that. Let's see. So I might do. Now you know what? Let me do the numbers. So I got this Eric Gordon. I got a 2/299, 247 out of 299. Eric Gordon. So y'all can see Eric Gordon. So I got a Kola Vucevic out of 199. Bulls from the Chicago Bulls. So nice card. See, I got a Pascal Siakam road to the finals card. Numbered. That is 950 out of 999. So y'all look at that. Road to the finals. So that's pretty nice. Got this JJ Watt that is 42 out of 75. So got that super status card. So pretty cool. Got a I got this B-Fab rookie wrestling card. Rookie. Thought this was a pretty nice card. Rookie card. B-Fab. I got Malachi Branham, which is 273 out of 299. So y'all look at that. Nice card there. So Malachi Branham. And I got this Jonathan Taylor rookie phenoms card. So I thought this was pretty dope. This was real nice. Sparkly a little bit. Real dope. So got that as far as the numbers. So get back to it, man. I'm gonna do the football. So got a few rookies here. Some of these from this season. Just putting these together for y'all. Sorry about that. So we got Quinshon Junkins, rookie from the Don Russ, rated rookie. Jushan. Y'all can see. Quinshon. Got an Abdul Carter of the Giants. Quinn Ewers, Miami Dolphins. Got a Riley Leonard. Got a Tez Johnson, rookie. Tez. And I got an Isaac Tesla rookie, throwback, rookie, rated rookie of Isaac Tesla. So got that. Got a Jamar Chase rated rookie. I thought this was pretty. I thought this was dope, man. This, guess you call it, what is that, silver rookie? That's pretty dope, man. I couldn't pass that one up. So, got a couple of Trey Tuckers. So y'all can see. Here's the Trey Tuckers. Yeah. This one here. Let's see. Got a Nolan Smith rookie. Nolan Smith. Got a Lad McConkey Prism rookie. Lad McConkey. Jerzan Newton. Hope I said this right. Got that. Then I got a lot of these, like this is one of my personal collection is Rome Odunze. Rome Odunze is the rated rookie. Rome Odunze is a select premier level Rome Odunze. And I got a future of Rome Odunze. So not too fast. Here's another look at it. The future. Select. Rated rookie. And got the NFL debut. Oh, pretty cool. So, we get to the basketball ones. Get to the loose ones. First, Kevin Herter. Got a couple Kevin Herters. So, a couple of them. Got a winter stays, Kyrie Irving. Got a, was this a KJ Simpson rookie? Got a Adam Bona. People real high on him. Grady Dick on the optic rated rookie. Got a Tristan Newton. Got a Shaden Sharp. Got a G.G. Jackson. Let me see this. So got a Dariq Whitehead. Got a Nikola Topic. Got a Hami Hawkins on a recon rookie. Devin Carter. Got a Cason Wallace. Another Adam Bona rated rookie. Jabari Smith Jr. Got another Jabari Smith Jr. Jalen Wilson. Oso Ahadara from the Phoenix Suns. Got a drive-through service of Drake Powell. I don't know who this guy. I don't know who he is, but I just thought the card was cool. Got a Benedict Matherin. Any of y'all that's friends with me on Facebook, I see I was at the Pacer game yesterday against the Thunder. So shout out to both teams. Keyshawn George on a rookie. Got a Sheese of Keontae George. Good young player. Nikhil Alexander Walker on a Hoops premium stock rookie. I got a personal collection with him. Kyle Filipowski. Khalil Ware on the Impact. Got a Tulane Sulan on Express. Got another Adam Bona. Another Adam Bona. Got a Kobe Brown. Got a Cody Williams. Jacoby Walter. Blake Wesley on the red ice, cracked ice. Got a couple of Jaden McDaniels, rated rookies. Let me see. So this is this guy's starting to be another personal collection of mine. Right now, AJ Mitchell had a good game against the Pacers. So Donovan Clingan on a rated rookie. Quentin Post, college card with Golden State. I believe he with Golden State now. Quentin Post. Bacom Dadier on the pink and blue rated rookie with the crack ice premier rookie of Nick Smith Jr. And got a My House rookie of Khalil Ware. That's a dope card. Go keep it going with the basketball. Had to throw a WNBA in there, a Hannah Hidalgo. Like her game, and plus she ain't bad looking either. Paz, got a Paz rookie on a rookie recon. You know, different. So, got a Scotty Barnes on the green rookie. Got a Jonathan Kaminga. Got a Alex Sarr. Another Alex Sarr. Reed Shepard. See Jamal Shed on a red crack ice rookie. Jamal Shed. Let me see. Topps Chrome of Elton Brand. I thought these cards to me, I think is pretty cool. Make of them is cool. Got a rated rookie of Benedict Matherin. Scotty Barnes. Another Jonathan Kaminga. I forgot that I bought two of those. Brandon Miller. So got a rookie, a LaMelo Ball. Rookie Chet Holmgren. Like I said, man, picked up these pink crack ice rookies of AJ Mitchell. It might be that next one, man. So montage, Brandon Miller, rookie. So got this rated rookie of Chris Paul, which I thought was pretty cool. If y'all can see, this is the rated rookie of Chris Paul. Pretty nice. They can only pay like 10 for that. So, future Hall of Famer. Pretty dope. I also got these two. I picked up these as well. VJ Edgecombe rookie into the tops. Hopefully we can get that in the tops when we open. And I got a Dylan Harper rookie. So it's pretty nice. So let's go without further ado, man. We finally gonna open these tops. These tops 25-26 basketball. First box. So gonna wish to the gods that we get something good. So let's get it. Also, man, please like and subscribe to the channel, The New Breed 313 Sports, 313 The New Breed Real Talk, D313XP, Detroit Fan Report. So let's get it, man. Let's get it. So first we got a Ryan Callenbrunner on a rookie. So we got a J-Dub, got a Derek Lively, got a there we go. Right off the bat, baby. Let's go. Cooper Flag right off the bat on the first box. First pack, even too. So, oh man, we definitely got one going. So got that. We got Derek Queen on the rookie from New Orleans. So far so good. We got Spider. We got a Trey Murphy, who's played well so far this season, man. Glad to see him back healthy. Wendell Carter Jr. We got a Keldon Johnson. See, we got a Generation Now Danny Wolf. I know y'all U of M fans remember Danny Wolf, man. He was a good player at Michigan, so hopefully it can transfer to the NBA. So we got so we finished with Ja Morant, and we got a Chef Curry with the baskets. That's a pretty dope card right there. That's cool. Y'all see that? It's pretty dope. Pretty dope. I like that. Put that to the side. So first pack, not bad, man. Already got a Cooper Flag, man. So happy about that, man. Hopefully we can get an edge come in these packs or a few other rookies. So, but we'll see. We'll see. I'm cool with the make of these, man. They pretty dope. I like these. So we got a Neek Clifford. Got a Neek Clifford there. Got a what's this? Micah Peavy. So got a Carmelo Anthony. Got a Bernard King. Got a Russell Westbrook. Let's see, South Beach. Tyler Hero. Let's see, we got this card here of Julius Randle. Pretty nice card. What we got here? So we got a youthful Jazz play hard of the Jazz, Utah Jazz. Let's see what we got here. So we got a 45th anniversary Topps, which is, check this out. This is a Noah Penda of the Orlando Magic. So we got check that out. That's Power Players, LeBron. It's not a bad card. Not a bad card. So we got a Magic, and we end the pack with a Darius Garland. So not too bad, man. Not too bad. Not too bad. So let's keep it going, baby. Let's keep it going. So we got a Manu Ginobili. We got a Kaman Malach on the rookie. So not bad. One of the top rookies. So we'll take that all day long. We'll take a Con Kanipple. Again, we'll take that all day long. We got a Yuki Wanamura. I think he recently just got released. I don't know if anybody picked him up. Hopefully somebody picked him up. Got a AJ Green card. Got a Demonis Sabonis. Got a Miles Turner, Turn Up, as I call him. Got a Ryan Dunn on a second year card. So we got a Yang Hansen. Ooh. Yeah, this is the guy that's got a lot of hype, man. So a lot of people say that he might be the next Jokic. We'll see, but got him right here, Yang Hansen. So that's pretty dope. Got that. 8-bit ballers, Dirk. Let's see, we got a Tyler Hero on the silver here. A lot of responsibility gonna be for him, and a Yves Messi on that. So, uh, so far liking these tops basketball. Just like how they started off with the rookies like early. I mean, within the season. Normally they have it like second half of the season during the end. So it's good that they got it in the beginning. We got a Wemby, got a Gittler. So we got a rookie here of Walter Clayton Jr. of the Utah Jazz. Freshly came out of a national championship in Florida, so congrats to him. So we got a D Wade, got a young Dirk, young Dirk. We got a Marcus Sasser, got a Devin Booker, D Book, got a Buzelis, Matas Buzelis, got a Ben Simmons, my neck and my back, got a Killer Cade. So we got a Quentin Grimes, and ended with an Anthony Black. So we got 3 more packs. Again, man, please like and subscribe to the channel, The New Breed 313 Sports. 313, The New Breed Real Talk. Let's get back to it. So we got a Buddy Hield. Got a rookie of Rasheer Fleming of the Phoenix Suns. We got another rookie of Asa Noel. We got a KG. We got a PG. We got a Isaiah Collier. Got a Jalen Wilson. Scoot Henderson. Hopefully he could stay healthy. With the stuff that's going on in Portland right now, man. So we got a Kevin Huerter on the 45th anniversary. Kevin Huerter. So we got okay, that's nice. A Clutch City Prospects. So y'all see the design on it. That's pretty nice, man. I like that. Y'all can see it through this way as well. It's pretty nice. Kaman Mulaks. So that's pretty cool. Got a Moses Moody and got a Jeremy Sohan. So that second to last pack. Let's keep it going. So, oh wow. Got a Steve Kerr card. Jaren Jackson Jr., Sparty Dog. Cam Thomas, another one of my PCs. Hey man, back-to-back PCs, man. This is my guy right here, Dyson Daniels. This is my guy. So we got a rookie of Noah Asenji, SNG. So we got a Baylor Shireman. Got an SGA. Shout out to SGA. That game against Indiana. Shout out to him. Like the Big Kings have fun hooping. Sacramento Kings. Got a Cat, Karl Anthony Towns. We have a Jeremiah Fears of the Generation Now from the New Orleans Pelicans. Got Apollo Bankero. And we got a Bilal Koulibaly. So, last pack, man. Woo. So far, so good. I'm happy with what I got, man. Happy with what I got, so. You know, would be nice to get an edge, cool. We'll see. So we got a Hugo Gonzalez from the Boston Celtics. We got a Cam Jones. Cam Jones. Let's see. We got a Tyrese Proctor from the Cavs. We got a Shaq Diesel. We got a Laurie Marketing, or as I like to call him, the Flying Finn. Tyrese Maxey. Keontae George. Got a Nikola Vucevic. Got a Chris Murray. Chris Murray. Got a 8-bit ballers of Trey Johnson, the third. Brandon Ingram. And finish it with a Young Stars, the Philly of Tyrese Maxey and Jared McCain. So, not bad, man. Not bad. I like the rook. Excuse me. I like the rookies that I got, so can't go wrong with that, man. So very happy. Tops, pretty cool. Got some other boxes. Got another box, but I'm gonna wait till tomorrow to do that one in a different video. So if I do one with all these other boxes I got, it's gonna be a long video. So, but that's what I got, man. So far, hopefully in these other boxes I get some good stuff as well. Like and subscribe to the channel, man. The New Breed 313 Sports, 313 The New Breed Real Talk, D313XP, the Detroit Fan Report. Man, I will holler at y'all in a minute. Peace out.